y minus 1 bracket squared equals 16x. Let's compare that with capital Y squared equals 4a capital X. So here we can see that capital Y is equal to y minus 1, corresponds to that. Capital X corresponds to lowercase x, and a must be 4a's is 16, so a must be 4. So our axes, our y-axes that we want to draw, our axes of the parabola, is the same. When y is 0, y minus 1 will be 0. Move the 1 over and you get y equals 1. So we need to put in the value of y equals 1 because that's the axis of the parabola. We'll check that, double check that in a minute and make sure we haven't made a mistake. So this is the value 1. And if you put in x as 0, you'll see when x equals 0, y equals 1 is also a double confirmation that this is in actual fact the vertex. So let's mark that then, that's the vertex. So where is the focus? Well, it's at A0 normally, but that's in this context, isn't it? And we've shifted up by 1, so it's at A1, isn't it? So that's 4 and 1. So let's mark that off here. And that would be the coordinate 4 and 1. And this is the coordinate for the focus. So let's put that down. If I can write it correctly, helps. That's the focus then. So there's 4 and 1. Here's the value 1 for the vertex. So if we go forward 1 to the focus, we go back 4. So that's minus 4. And that takes us to the directrix, doesn't it? So if we drop a vertical here at the value minus 4, this is now the directrix. Okay, good. So let's just draw our parabola. So it comes out from here, it goes around there, and it comes out symmetrically on that side as well. This is the axes of the parabola. So let's mark that. Okay, now let's just do a quick check. Here's a general point P, x, y. Let's just go the distance here to the focus. And let's drop a perpendicular down to the directrix, which would be here, wouldn't it? Like so, and that's 90 degrees. So let's just do our quick check then to see if we get what we wanted. So here, if this is correct, all this information, then that distance, which is the x distance, is x minus 4 squared, plus the y distance, which is y minus 1 squared. There's the height. So that distance squared is equal to this distance squared, which is x value. Take away the minus 4. So it's x plus 4 squared. Expand the brackets then. X squared minus 8x plus 16 plus y minus 1 squared, leave that as is equal to x squared plus 8x plus 16. So let's see what we've got. The 16's cancel. The x squareds cancel, and we simply get y minus 1 squared is equal to 8x moves over from a minus to a plus, and we get 16x. So is that what we had? Is that what we wanted to draw? Let's look back up. Yeah, that was it. So that's good.